What are the key investment announcements made by the White House recently? These moves could reshape the economy and your future in ways you never expected. One of the most surprising announcements is the multi-billion-dollar investment in technology innovation. This includes funds dedicated to advancing artificial intelligence, boosting semiconductor manufacturing, and accelerating clean energy technologies. These investments aim to secure U.S. leadership in critical tech sectors and create millions of high-paying jobs. By supporting cutting-edge industries, the White House is betting on a future where American technology drives global progress and economic growth. Another key area is infrastructure. The White House has allocated huge funds to improve roads, bridges, and expand broadband access across the country. This is vital for connecting rural communities, enabling remote work, and boosting economic opportunities. These upgrades will not only improve daily life, but also enhance national competitiveness. You might be surprised how much your commute and internet access could improve thanks to this investment. Small businesses also stand to benefit from recent announcements. The White House introduced new grants and loan programs aimed at empowering entrepreneurs and local businesses. This support helps them innovate, compete globally, and create jobs within communities. By focusing on small business growth, the administration hopes to foster a stronger, more diverse economy that can weather future challenges. These White House investment announcements reveal a clear vision for America's economic future. From cutting-edge technology to vital infrastructure and small business support, the impact could touch your life in many ways. Stay curious and hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.